Hey, I'm just getting ready to close up here. It's almost 4 o'clock, but I just got off a call with this gentleman. His name's Brandon, and he was just calling to ask a few questions about a remodel he's starting on his bathroom. And he just had some questions about backing, where he needed to put wood for support for the shower enclosure that's going in. He wants to do a frameless enclosure. And I just told him about my offer for on-site pre-construction consultation service. And this is a service I provide for $225. I'll come out and do a site visit before construction begins on the remodel, go over the layout of the bathroom, troubleshoot how the door is going to open, where the glass is going to go, how tall it's going to be, how deep it's going to be. I provide a full set of drawings and cut sheets for the glass. It locks in the price for 6 months, which is twice as long as what we normally provide, just to help avoid common pitfalls that happen with construction, things you don't think about until it's too late oftentimes. And this consultation fee is actually applicable towards the purchase once he decides to have me go ahead and do the work. So for $225, he gets me coming out to the job, meeting with him, discussing the whole project, giving him my advice about everything that needs to be done, gets a drawing, a computer rendering of what his shower enclosure will look like, all of the sketches, all of the cut sheets, so if he wants to shop it around to other glass shops, he can do that. And all of that will apply towards his purchase once he decides to go with us, because he's going to decide to go with us. So anyway, I just wanted to fill you in on that. I know I've talked about this before, but I want to make sure you know that this is a service that we provide. So anyway, talk to you soon. Have a great day.